What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel, Total Technology. So today I'm gonna continue on the report lab part. So this is going to be part 6. So let me just give one name like tutorial 6, and this part will be talking about like a bit more on like strings on the like alignment we have covered, but I forgot to cover on some other like some one more topic that is called rotation. So this is going to be like 4 or 5 minute tutorial. So like string rotation, let me just give a name headline. So in this video we have seen how to use the alignment thing to write some sort of kind of nice like heading, then subheading, then subsection sort of thing. So in this tutorial we'll see how to rotate using like inside PDF. So before doing that, let me just import the libraries. Like, so this is going to be from reportlab dot pdfgen import canvas, then from reportlab dot needs import image, another thing from reportlab dot lib import colors. We can change the like colors using this like things as well, so we'll do it now. Okay, so let me just do it now. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create one PDF like PDF underscore like just like just a PDF 6. Okay, like canvas dot canvas will give tutorial 6 dot pdf, and let's say bottom up equals to 0, and now let's say pdf 6 dot to, then it will come. Now pdf 6 is not coming, I'm not sure. Let's translate image. Let's pdf 6 dot set color, I think set fill color. So now we will use this part. Okay, let's say color, you can use color this one. Okay, and let's draw something like pdf 6 dot rotate, let's say 45 degree, and we'll write something now. Okay, dot like draw string like 1 like 5 like 45 degree, and pdf 6 dot save. So the string will be like this, like in this 45 degree angle. Okay, think this is done. Let me open this thing. This is tutorial 6. So see, it is 45 degree angle, and the color has been changed. So if you want to use some other color, let's say this, let's run it again. Well, what is happening? From is native, unknown color A is native, so this is not coming actually. I'm not sure. Not sure why this color is not. Let's use this blue velvet one. It's working well. See, So you can change the rotation like depending on your requirement. Let's say you want to make it 145 degree. So it is in this side. Okay, so there could be many things like depending on your requirement. So this is one nice thing we have covered, and we also covered like colors. Okay, so in this section basically we covered how to like create like string with some sort of designing, or there are multiple requirements like you have to use some sort of like rotation inside your report just to make it a more like beautiful in terms of like formatting and all. Like for example, you want to like put some sort of like header and footer in depending on the requirement, and this is how you can use some sort of color as well, like from this color class. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So I think we have covered like complete writing part in terms of strings, and in the next part probably we'll cover some sort of like draw functions like lines and polygons, circles, squares, and everything. So in this tutorial, we have covered like complete the string section of on Reportlab, whatever is possible. Definitely, there are multiple things could be possible. I didn't actually explore that much because those are not actually required. You guys can go ahead and use those options, or use some options like just go through the report lab official documentation, like multiple like other features are available, but this is the main features like which will be mainly used in terms of like report generation or report development. Okay, so that's all guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and will definitely provide me comments in terms of feedback or some sort of like suggestion, and if you have some topics you want to you want us to create videos or tutorial on that, definitely you can get back to me. And also we have started another series on IoT like security and IoT things, so that will be also interesting and one of the hot topic at this moment. So guys, please do subscribe to our channel. Those are not yet to subscribe, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that the notification should be always available to you on timely manner. And if you think these videos are going to help someone within your friend circle or family, you can definitely like share the videos. We are also looking forward to like reach much more bigger audience, so it will also motivating us. Okay, guys, thanks for your support, and let me know like if you guys feeling any problem or any sort of difficulties. We'll always there to help you. So that's all, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and happy weekend.